Hi, welcome to Grammar Day 3. Remember with grammar, Monday, day 1 will look the same every week. Tuesday, day 2 will look the same with day 3 on Wednesday. So let's look at what we have to do on Wednesdays of grammar. So what you are going to do is read each of the task cards, and then on the next slide below, you're going to write in your answer. So let's get started. Is the underlined noun common or proper? Now let's think back. A common noun is just a person, place, or thing. A proper noun is a name of something. So Mrs. Hubert would be a proper noun. Otsego Elementary School would be a proper noun. Prairie View Elementary School would be a proper noun. So let's go ahead and read this sentence. She put her shirt in the laundry basket. The word underlined here is shirt. Now, is that a proper noun or a common noun? Well, it's not a certain brand name of a shirt, so it has to be a common noun. So I'm going to go back to that slide, click here, and write in common. All right, then we move on to the next one and we do the same thing. You guys can do this. You're great at it. Have fun. Bye-bye.